Suzhou Sunmed Co Limited has been in the medical supply business for 18 years since 2005. Has a vast range of medical products and personal health care. We near Shanghai, just 1.5 hour from airport. Our products have ISO 13485, CE certificate, and FDA registration. And also we have registration in Saudi Arabia, Brazil, and so on. Our last year annual export amount is about $27.89 million US. Our products exported all over the world. Our main market is EU and America, including America, UK, Germany, Spain, Netherlands, and especially UK market, and also Southeast Asia market. Sunmed's major products services include medical supplies and personal health care. We have established our factory for these main products. We have our own production line for the following products: kinesiology tape, self-adhesive wrap, elastic adhesive bandages, first aid kit, first aid dressings, wound dressings. We have established long-term, stable partnerships with several manufacturers, with whom we also hold shares in these medical supplies factories, such as gauze and cotton products, medical tape, pillbox, foot care, hot and cold therapy, sport brace, iPad, surgical tape, syringe, infusion set, surgical blade, suture, various of catheter, gowns, face mask, underpad. We are supplying the high quality and great design products for the client. We will always provide customers with reliable goods and services.